So now we have to do practice for CCA 175 certification exam as well, correct? So for this certification we need specially Spark service, which is not yet installed on this environment, because Spark is the main component which is being tested on the CCA 175 exam, whether you are going for PySpark version or you are going for Scala version of the Spark. So let me add the service. So as per the document, if you see, this is our document here, we have also mentioned like how to add the service. So you can add the service Spark 2.0. so click here on the cluster here, add service here, and then you can select the Spark service here, okay, and then continue here. So it's a very simple process to add new service actually, but you should know only the few things which needs to be set up and configuration and etc. So let's continue here and review changes. So nothing we are going to change, because we are not going to use SSL or JK store, Java encryptions and key store etc. we are not going to change. So this is very simple process. Now Apache Spark is getting installed on this environment, okay. So you need to wait until this is being done, so you can see what all is happening here, correct? So expand it and you can check it. So once this service is successfully installed, then we'll change the Hive server default execution engine if we want, because we have previously installed that one. But I still recommend using Hive on Tej actually if you are practicing on Hive. So now let me finish it and let me see. Spark is there, correct? Now we need to stale configuration, so let's deploy this Spark as well. Restart the stale service of the redeploy client configuration, so whatever update has been done would be applied over here. So this is always whenever you do some changes, correct, so you need to do this client configuration deployment, otherwise your changes would not be applicable in the environment, okay. So let's wait this to be get finished, because it is going to start the stop the Hive service, Yarn service, and then start again kind of thing. So let's wait because it would take some time, okay. So this is all screenshot I have put over here. So now after this installation of Spark, we would be practicing the CCA 175 question and answers as well. So let me pause until this get installed, this Apache Spark environment gets started. Installation is already done, okay. So now Spark service restart is done. Let's see. So now you can see all our services are running fine. So let me start this or this Spark service on the console, whether we can do this or not. Spark shell. So it is taking little longer, but let's wait. It is first time starting, so it may take some time. So okay, the issue here is actually the permission denied to this user, correct? Hadoop exam. So what you have to do, as I previously mentioned, you always use Hadoop exam one user and log in as a Hadoop exam. Now let's start Spark shell again. What we see now, if okay, now I can see Spark is getting started. It is taking little longer. What I recommend actually, as we may not be using all the services. Let me see, for CCA 175 we do need all the services, or Hive on Tej we can stop this service as of now, because we won't be using this, okay. And similarly I would recommend stop the Impala service as well. This is also we are not going to use for CCA 175, at least as of now. So whenever we need it, we would be starting this service, else that is fine, we can stop this service, and we could have enough resources for working on our exercises. So that's what I would recommend whenever you do some exercises, and if you don't want any particular service for doing those exercises, you can stop it, so your processes can run faster. Okay, let me now, this is a Spark shell. So we would be doing here, so SC we can choose Spark context here, and Spark is a Spark session object. So let's we'll do hands-on exercise later on, then we'll discuss further. I'm quitting now for Spark shell. Now let me spark the PySpark here, and it should also work because the people who are using PySpark would consider the PySpark shell. So let me see whether it works or not. Okay, it is quite fast compared to Scala. Okay, so now PySpark is also working, so that's fine, we are having our services in place. Okay, and let me see. Okay, Impala is stopped now. As I recommended, always go to host and check the resources being consumed over here. So because we have stopped Impala and HiveOnTage, that is the reason we are having quite a good amount of memory available for our resources. So that is the reason I would recommend the services which we don't need, let's stop these services. So Yarn, Zookeeper we need it, Spark need it, Hue we need it, most likely HiveOnTage we don't need it. Even we can stop the Hive if you don't need it. Okay, close here, Hive configuration. What is the execution engine here? You can search for execution engine, and here it is MapReduce selected. Okay, but now MapReduce is no more supported in the Cloudera environment. You need to select Spark. That is fine. When we do the Hive exercises, then we can select accordingly. Okay, so now it's fine, I'm not changing it. Okay, and we can see the environment is ready for our CCA 175 certification exam preparation, and if we need to do any other services, we can install by using the add service here. But I would highly recommend the services which you need, only those you need to install, otherwise your environment would not be able to handle all the things which you need it, correct? So we have currently 15 GB RAM on this host, so that is fine. Okay, so now I'm stopping, and we'll do the hands-on exercises later on for CCA 175 certification simulator. Okay, so I'm stopping now. So before stopping, I would recommend like you go to hadoopexam.com, and if you are looking for CCA 175 certification preparation material, go to Cloudera. Under this section we have a separate exam, one for Scala and one for PySpark. So this is two exam, and this is CCA 159. So these are the exam, and these are the various trainings related to this certification. People are already subscribing it, so you can just click on this, and suppose let's say you are looking for the Scala version of CCA 175. So currently we are providing 61 solved scenarios. How you can access all the question paper here? By clicking on this URL, okay, or this link. You would be getting the book with this Cloudera Data Platform Fundamentals. You need to understand what exactly this is an ebook. Then how to set up this environment, so which is like I'm already using this document, so that you would get access to this as well. And then certification preparation material for this. So this is all the question and answer. So the video link I would be providing over here, like somewhere. Okay, so all the videos we have recorded for this certificate, for environment setup and any certification preparation material. So then you can just launch this paper over here and fetch password. This is user specific password. You can click on this, copy this password just by clicking this, and once this exam is launched, paste this password, and you can start using your certification simulator. So I'll discuss further in the exercises. Okay, so just wait for it getting launched, and I'm stopping now. So this is the question paper, which 1 to 20 hands-on exercises in first paper, and next paper has another 20 exercises. So right now we have total 61 exercises. Okay, so you can see here, this is the exercise here, and this is the data, how you can get the access to this data. This is the video link. So we will be publishing all the video links over here for Scala version. Similarly, we will be providing link for the PySpark version, and this is the solution for your problem statement. So we'll discuss about this. If you are looking for like more material and prefer to like access any materials which is on the website, correct? So this is listed on this page. So there are a lot of ebooks, interview preparation materials, and technical books and trainings and career guides we are adding here, and projects if there we would be adding over here. And this is the certification you can access, correct? So whatever you want it, you can just click on it and you can access all this certification preparation material. So click on this and we are keep adding this material on this page so you can get access. So one of this subscription you can take it, like this is quarterly subscription, this is 6 month subscription, this is annual, this is pro subscription. You can see what is included in this particular plan here. You can see this is all detail is provided here, so you can access accordingly. So thanks for watching. I'm stopping now, and we'll get back to you soon with the exercises. Thank you. I'm stopping now.